Understanding text structures. Problem solution. What is a text structure? A structure is a building or framework. Text structure refers to how a piece of text is built. Sometimes an author will want to explain a problem and then show one or more solutions. This is called problem and solution text structure. Here's an example of problem and solution text structure. Read along with me. Heavy rains can cause flooding in small streams. For weather forecasters and local authorities, this flooding can be difficult to predict. Fortunately, the United States Geological Survey, USGS, has more than 7,000 stream gauges that measure water flow. These stream gauges help scientists to monitor water levels in good and bad weather. What is the problem in this paragraph? The problem is that flooding can be difficult to predict. What is the solution in this paragraph? The solution is that the United States Geological Survey has more than 7,000 stream gauges that measure water flow. Often, authors will signal the problem and solution structure with signal words or clue words like problem and solution. Some synonyms, words that mean the same or almost the same, for problem include difficulty, struggle, uncertainty, worry, threat, and trouble. Some synonyms for solution include possibility, hope, bright spot, answer, and future. Let's practice again. Read along with me. What is the problem? Brown marmorated stink bugs have caused many problems since they were accidentally introduced to North America. They damage fruit, bother people, and harm crops. Scientists are trying to find a solution. One promising possibility is a species of wasp that originally comes from Asia. This wasp is a predator of stink bugs. Scientists hope that this wasp could solve the stink bug problem. What is the problem? The problem is that brown marmorated stink bugs, damage fruit, bother people, and harm crops. What is the solution to this problem? The solution is that one promising possibility is a species of wasp that originally comes from Asia. This wasp is a predator of stink bugs. And you notice this promising possibility, which indicates a solution.